Okay guys, so welcome to Straight Yard channel. Today we're gonna give you epic cooking. We're gonna do some soup today guys, some red pea soup guys. So we have some beef bone here, neck bone. Yeah, some neck bone guys. We have some chicken foot. So we're gonna run through this first. Clean them up. Wash them off with a little vinegar and peeps. Oh, a little bit of lime too. Drop it on him. I understand. Clean up the meat properly. So okay guys, welcome to Straight Yard TV. Today we're gonna give you a nice cooking of some red pea soup today. We have some beef neck bone here guys, and we have some chicken foot, and we have some red peas. We're gonna cook some red pea soup today guys, so welcome to the channel. Today is a soup day guys, red pea soup we're gonna cook today guys, okay? So stay tuned and watch the process guys. Okay guys, so right now we are going to put some of the water on the fire, boil up already guys. So all the people who just come on the line, they just come on. We are cooking some red pea soup today guys, some red pea soup. The water start boil already, just drop in some garlic. See beef neck bone, you clean up on everything guys. So go ahead and put them in. And then go ahead and get the chicken foot clean up guys. You know the beef a little bit tougher, so no matter. Beef can go in because neck bone them. Can go in and go and boil. In the meantime now I just clean up the chicken foot guys. So okay guys, so you know what? Beef neck bone in the pot already a boil, so go ahead and clean up the chicken foot of people. And put them in the pot too. And go and boil, cut them up. Clean them up, you don't have to clean them up. I have to go through them. So what we are going to do is cut off them toenails. You know they can't depend it in the people. That's the first thing we have to come off. See it there? Nice and clean, nothing wrong with him, no depend him, well clean. In there well clean. So what we are doing, we clean them up first and then we cut them up. Because we are moving fast today, people. Today is some red pea soup today with some neck bone, beef neck bone and chicken foot with the red peas, peeps. Go already. Soup here go nice and strong. So I go now a little keep off it. Make sure not all of them places of people when you know cook chicken foot soup. Them places have it clean, all of them places have it clean. Everything on there have to clean. And pan the foot, not you have nothing pan the people like none of the. I must find one I'm gonna show you, but because every time I buy chicken foot, I have to clean it myself. Clean it the way I want it, people. Because I know so them people are not clean it the right way. Clean it. Alright, let me see what I go on now. See? See that one look brown? I'll run show you. Yeah. The peeps. Run show them, you know? Clean them up properly. No, nothing on your chicken foot them when you want them to clean and nice like all this, so it's pretty. Yeah, for them to stay. Guys, red pea soup can make with any kind of meat you want to use. Up to you guys what you want to use in your red pea soup. Okay, guys? But I choose to use some beef neck bone today. Beef, you know, some chicken foot. Alright people, so I got you clean up the chicken foot and cut them up, get back to you, so stay tuned. Now cut them up too fine. Some people cut up in 3 pieces like and cut here. Now when you sell soup of that, and then they come back and cut here. You understand? So the man get even 1 piece, 9 cup. You can't say no get some chicken food. 9 cup. You can't cook for the dance. There's a cook for couple of it. I'll cut them up more on 2. I like the knife I do. Good. So I can season up them. Season up and soak like that. It's a nice flavor. Understand? You can season anything thing. Like you cook them on your next soup. The 3 beef stuff and that. Okay. Okay. Beef go on. Beef go on cook. A beef we cook tough up. Beef especially a neck bone. Take longer to cook. Beef go on cook a little bit. Alright people. Let's see what I go on now. Chicken foot cut up already. Clean up. Put it on one side for a little bit. Go and make the beef bowl them cook some more. The beef bowl the people, but kick. You go and cook some more. Then we add the rest of the ingredients have to go along. So stay tuned and watch the process, people. It take a little time, just have to work it. Step by step, me I'm going to today. So you can understand how to cook the real stew peas and the real red pea soup. Because I show you a red pea, a stew peas video the other day, guys. Go back in the old one and you can watch it. Okay? So stay tuned. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Straight to your TV. I don't know the motto go already, people. One love. Straight. Alright. Alright, the people. So here what I'm going on. It's like how the beef neck bone I go and cook. And the chicken foot cut up already and everything. I'm going to go ahead and prep some seasoning, guys. Some vegetables that I want to put in the soup. And put them down. So cooking process go faster, guys. You understand? Because we don't take no long time to go in the kitchen. So that is some soup. Quick and fast. So right here now, my people. That's the pumpkin here. Go and peel him up. Get him ready for going on the soup. And the carrot and the Irish. And the chocho. You understand? And the pot and a heap of food now going on the pot today, no people. So some nice soup, strong soup we're make today. I know when I peel them pumpkin, I say no people. Them pumpkin skin are well tough, hard to peel. Careful with the knife when you peel them. First, if you have a sharp knife, like me I have a sharp knife to see the peel so fast, but you have to be careful with the knife, fly through and come upon your hand. Make sure your hand is not the way. Okay. Alright. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Pumpkin now. Now I'm going to steam. Too long for going in the pot, you know. I'm not cut him up too much, guys. I'll show you what I'm going to do with him. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. And we'll see what I'm going to deal with, guys. We'll see how to make the real red pea soup. It tastes nice and rich. Good flavor. No joke. And all of the subscribers them, one love. All of the new subscribers them, one love same way. Thanks for coming on board, guys. Love you. Straight to your TV. Well, cut them up, man. Strip them and clean them up, man. Cut them up now. No delay. Because man, like to use my hand, because hand move for. I even me on the cutting board or so. Still I use my hand. That's how I used to my hand. Move fast with my hand, guys. Scrape off them carrot, you know. Clean them up, get them ready. Get my ingredients and everything ready and up. So we just add as we go along, guys. Strip. This is my chocho, guys. So I'm peel up my chocho and now we're going like soup. Clean up all of my ingredients and prep them, put on. So you know, say a fast cooking, guys. Quick and fast. As soon as the meat then get ready for me, go ahead. Quick and fast. I know we're not even add the peas at my peeps. The meat tough. So I'll put on the meat first, you understand? Let go already. Put out in the belly. And the seed is still in. The seed. Seed I can plant, you know. Good. You can plant whole chocho. Good. Right. Chocho want to start something, you know, guys. So you know it go already, you don't have to cut small. And then melt in your mouth if you cook the right way. You know what about the chocho already. Right. Red pea soup I'm making, you know, guys, and a pumpkin soup. That's why I don't add no heap of pumpkin in it, because a red pea soup I make. Killing. Yeah, guys, stay tuned. So I prep the things them and put them down until we're ready to use them. You understand? Because you know a soup, so you have to get the things them ready. Soup you have to cook. I know a long business thing. Job, boring thing. Okay, guys? Right. One thing is in front of that one, guys. I look for my pepper. Clear up the chain now. And look for my pepper. Put down that. Get the rest of stuff going, guys. Hey, guys. Check in. Check in on the party now, guys. Give me one stir and one your quarter in the guy. Okay. Yeah, beef a come on good. Time for put in the chicken foot, guys. So you know it go there now. Put in the chicken foot then I know people. Drop in the chicken foot then. See there? Yeah. That me I talk about the peeps. Stay tuned and watch what I want, people. Nice. I mean, not pressure nothing. We're not pressuring anything, guys. We're cooking from scratch. No pressure peas, no pressure nothing. Straight, because we have the time, so I like put up on a rush, you know. Cook the real authentic soup going with it drink. Alright. The fire going to do work, you know, people. So okay. So go on. Go on with himself, you know, people. Get that chicken foot go on. Beef go on. Beef not reach down way yet. Beef well tough same way. But you know, so you have to take your time, people. You have to take your time with that butter because this part gonna take a little time because you know the meat is a little bit tough. And chicken for the stuff, so I know it go already, and plus the peas. So a process we are dealing with in a process by step by step, guys. Step by step. So stay tuned, watch the program, and learn of the nicest and the sweetest red pea soup you ever taste. Straight here TV. One love. Up. Why different? So guys, see, we have all our ingredients ready for going nice soup already prep. Know it go already. And pumpkin, my thyme, my scallion, chocho, carrot, good old sweet pepper. Know it go already. I'm going to cut up one Irish guys. We're going to look too Irish and put in it too. You know what, because we don't do no heap of food today, because see what we are doing today, guys. Piece of yellow yam, one piece of plant, one finger plant, and 2 potato, like 2 cornmeal dumpling. That's it, you know, guys, for the soup. I'm going to have one breadfruit in the sink here. You know, it's a must. Put a piece of that tonight too, guys. Make some nice red pea soup, okay, guys? So stay tuned and watch the process. Straight to your TV. Okay, guys. See it now? See beef them? Yes, people, them are almost there. Yeah, them are come. But they still tough little, you know. So them, by the time you put in the peas now and everything, it's how I want it, guys. You gotta know how to cook. If you don't know how to cook, you can't get nothing out. See this? Almost cooked, but by the time the peas go in, they will cook. Well cooked. Okay? So all of them are half cooked now. So getting the peas in the pot, guys. All of the red peas going in the pot now, guys. See them there? Good. So now we're going to make the fire go and do its thing. Okay? You know it go already. Straight to your TV. I always cook some authentic things for you guys. Okay? So one love. I remember the motto, guys. Love each other. Share what you have. And don't keep it for yourself. Straight to your TV. Up and running. Okay, peeps. You are going now. See red pizza? Just throw him in. So him a float now. And everything. So you know what you need now. Some cold water, my people. I sink it down. I make him go and cook. You know it go. I put there about noise. So then I sink the peas, people, with the cold water. You can go to the bottom so you can get the cook. And watch it while I show. We have to wipe the bath and get the go back. Right, so. I have to sink the peas, people. I have to sink the peas. Sinking. Sinking. So what I talk about? So we sink peas, people. Cold water. Nothing else can sink peas more than cold water. Nothing else. Or ice. If you have some ice, you can do it. I don't little piece. Big piece. So. Like the peas sink you now. Give me one stir. Give the people. I'm going to make the fire do the work here now, people. So make him stay. Go and do the work. We want to clean off a stove here. No water spill on it. Too much. You it go already, people. When we cook, we clean same time, you know. We don't wait. We don't wait to cook and clean, you know, people. Okay? That is it. So, I think that Taylor was saying something. What she was saying?
You're such a rat.
Okay, guys, let me check on the red pea soup. I know. See? You might get ready now with something I talk about. Okay? The meat, them will come together. Yeah, see? Them will get soft now, everything will come together, people. So, stay tuned and watch a red pea soup and my peeps. That was money. Guys, let's go with this pot here. We are going to put in the pumpkin and one of my peeps. Just watch how I teach you now. Step by step I deal with it now. Or drop in the pumpkin and go and boil and soft note. And then we'll show you what I'm going to do with the pumpkin later. Okay, guys? And this not going in yet. I'm still not ready for this yet. Okay? So just add the pumpkin now. And then I'm going to show you what's popping later. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. Ready, guys. Look at this nice pot of soup I'm making for you guys. So what I'm going to do, guys, go ahead and take out the pumpkin. It's already got the flavor, you know, guys. It's already got the color and everything. And this is the reason why I told you, when you're making red pea soup, don't put a lot of pumpkin in the pot, guys. Because if you put a lot of pumpkin in the pot, the color will be pumpkin soup. Okay, guys? And when you're making the real red pea soup, it's supposed to be red. It's not supposed to be yellow. It's like, oh, it's got yellow already. It's because the pumpkin is so strong. Not only put 2 little pieces of pumpkin in the pot, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to crush it out. And then put it in back. Boil out in the pot and give it the body. And give it more flavor, guys. Okay, guys? Just like that. Rinse the dish out with some of the water. See? Just like that. See there, guys? See? This is red pea soup, guys. With pumpkin. Okay, see there? Soon ready. So stay tuned and watch the process, guys. I'm going to give you an authentic red pea soup today. So, all of my new subscribers, them, welcome. And all of my old subscribers, them, one love. And one love to all of you guys anyway. We love everybody at Straight Yard TV. And when we come around, we give you real content. We don't give you fake content, guys. We give you from scratch to finish. Okay, guys? So if you guys watch it, you will learn it. And you guys will understand how to do it by yourself. Okay, guys? So stay tuned. Straight Yard TV. Up and running. Red pea soup. Mud! Okay, guys, so you are one. I call the beef reach to where I want it, and on my pips. Go ahead now and add some yellow yam to the pot. And add some plantain. I only have 1 finger I'm using. I have a lot, but I'm using 1 finger today, guys. That to the pot. There you go. Alright, my peeps. Alright, my people. Look on the pot now. See there? Beef well soft. Understand chicken foot get soft too. And it's supposed to. So right now, my people, now go ahead and add some food to the pot, my guys. So we have some yellow yam here. Cutting them up. Putting them in the pot because this pot almost ready to start. Get everything in the pot now, guys. So adding everything in the pot now as we go by. See? Pot all want burn me up, my peeps. See there? The yellow yam on the plant and go and cook. I have some more ingredients coming for this pot, guys. But remember, we're not putting a lot of food in the pot, guys. We're just putting a little bit of food because we want some soup. People cook and when they cook, it's only food in the pot, there's no soup. We need soup, guys. Soup. So okay, guys, we have some sweet potato. Gonna add to the soup. I'm only using 1 today, guys. I have the green breadfruit here. I need a piece of the breadfruit in the soup, you know, my people. You know how it go already with this breadfruit, yeah, and the soup. Yes, my people. I only need like half of it. I don't need a lot in the soup. I'm not gonna put a lot of food like I told you. I'm not putting a lot of food in the pot. So just half of the breadfruit I'm using, guys. Half. Okay guys, this is Jamaican breadfruit. You know how it goes? You don't know if you peel breadfruit, watch my finger. First I gotta take out the heart. Then you're gonna come on the skin, peel the skin. See how I'm gonna deal with it guys? In there. Go in the heart, take out the heart. Yeah? Go on the skin, take out the skin. This is how you peel breadfruit guys. Very easy. Not hard. Very, very easy my peeps. See there? I don't like too much heart in my breadfruit when I'm doing boiled breadfruit guys. So that's why I take out so much heart. I just like the food part only. Because if you notice the heart come like around here. In roast breadfruit you can take out like about up here. But this is boiled breadfruit guys, so coming out the heart. All of the heart. Because the soup purpose guys is the reason why I didn't cut them more pretty, because I'm gonna cut them up, so it doesn't matter how you cut them. I'm not cooking boiled breadfruit just like that guys. I'm gonna put them in the soup, so I'm gonna cut them up. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Watch them new style, yeah? It's like sweet potato. In there. Sweet potato, my people. Give the pot some body. See that? Right, so now I'm gonna get the water off, guys. These are clean, well peeled. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut them. Put in the soup, guys. Now it go. Okay. That is it, guys. That's all the food I'm putting in the pan, guys. In the pot. All the food I'm putting in this pot, guys. Not putting in too much food in this pot, guys. All I'm gonna add to this pot after I do this is like about 2 spinners. You know we have to put 2 dumplings like guys. Spinners, not no big thick dumpling. Spinners. Okay guys. Okay. Go and boil. There we go. See there guys, see it there. Yeah. See it there. These them ready, everything ready I know. So I cook where I cook now guys. That is it. So as soon as them food are cook, season up pot, but I'm gonna make some spinners to put in the pot guys, like 2 roll up dumplings. You know where when I make soup we have to roll up dumpling guys, that's how we cook you know. So like how this here now, up the fire a little bit, you can keep boil, you can keep cook. See now my peeps, and then we soon finish the cooking. This soup's ready to drink guys, so just stay ahead and watch what's going on. Straight Yard TV, stay tuned. One Straight Yard TV, no problem. Up and running. Okay, people. Welcome back, Straight Yard TV. Up and running all the time, guys. So, we are going to add the ingredients now for the soup, and then you know it go. So, thyme, scallion, carrot, and chocho. Now it going, people. And pepper. Look, someone like me have to change the pot. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Let's see. See it there? All of the ingredients I mean I pot now with my peeps. Okay? Yeah, I'll change the pot. Pot are too small my people. Need a bigger pot. This man I know me I cook you know, guys I cook a lot of food, even when I start to cook smaller, you know, cook a lot of food. So pot are too full, guys. I'm gonna change the pot, guys. Okay, guys. Ready? Okay, guys. So see, I told you the pot was too small, guys. So we have to change over the pot. And you know what soup we are cooking up. See it there? Soup we are cooking. Wow. See it there? So we need space, guys, and we need the food to cook properly. See it there? See it there? Yeah. So you know what we are going to do now, guys? You have two spinners in the soup. Because you know, pot can't cook without spinners, you know, guys. And you know, some of the man, they want two dumplings to eat too. Because them man, they love them dumplings in their soup. You know it go already, guys. So chew a soup, you know heap of dumpling business, you know, guys. Yeah, that's one and two. A lot of people like to eat a lot of dumpling in soup. I don't like it, guys. Just some small baby ones like this. See? Like that. And I'm not making a lot, guys. Mostly gonna be spinners. Spinners. But two of my virgin there, so they want dumpling feed, so they might get two little baby ones. Baby ones. I'm gonna make one more too. Two baby ones you're gonna get. I don't make big dumpling in soup, guys. There. There, guys. Alright, you know, spinners time. And when I'm making spinners, guys, I don't make them little baby spinners. I make spinners with body. Like these. Like you're eating dumpling. So what may I talk about? Spinners, guys. I make some spinners put in the pot, you know. And we now make no small spinners, guys. So we make some nice size spinners like these. See? Yeah. Nothing too small. Something when you eat them, you feel like you eat dumpling, guys. But I'm gonna make some of the small one also, but you know it go already. Soup we mix. I have to mix up the thing. Some people want taste dumpling, some people just want eat dumpling. So I make some of them little baby spinners too. Like these guys, the spinning off the pot. That's what they call them, spinners. Let me show you what they call them, spinners, guys. Then do like this in the hand, and then just do like that in the pot. Spinners. Spin it off your hand. That's the way they call it, spinners, guys. Just do like this. Spinners. Spin it in the pot. Okay, guys, look. Spinners. Spinners. That's what they make spinners, guys. Spinners. From your hand to the pot. Spinners. That's what they call spinners, guys. I'm gonna show you one when I finish. That's it. These are spinners, guys. Okay? Start we putting in the pot today. No heap of dumpling, guys. No heap of dumpling. Just some little spinners in the pot. And some nice little soup dumpling, like these is call them soup dumpling. Thicker. Thicker than the regular spinners. I have some friends here, they want to eat dumpling too, guys. So that is it. No more dumpling. See there? But mad you know, see there? Soon ready you know, guys. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go ahead and add one of the cock soup, guys, to the pot. We go and boil in the meantime with some flavor and stuff like that. You understand, guys? Yeah, make we go and bring out some flavor in the meantime with the dumpling now. Because everything else in the pot is cooking now, guys. Everything is ready to eat. So just the dumpling now, which dumpling not gonna take long. Because just some spinners and some little dumpling in the pot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover up the pot and stay tuned and watch the process, guys. Soup soon ready to eat. Nice! Straight to TV, up and running. Yeah, my people. Yes, guys. See soup, yeah? See, no sticking, no burning. This is the key, guy, when you're cooking soup. Make sure you don't stick on the bottom and nothing is burning. This is why I changed the pot, because the pot was too small for this pot of soup. So see there, guys? Nice and rich soup. Flour then start to float. So I'm going to taste the pot now, guys, because only one noodle I add to the pot. So I'm going to season up the pot now and make the pot touch down and ready to eat. Okay, guys? It's sweet, man. It's one little one noodle, that's all I want. Yeah, man, it's nice. Nice. Wow. Super nice. Only thing I this soup, I feel like I said this is drop it fat, but I don't want to get the I don't want to get the noodle part in the soup. I just want to get the seasoned parts. That's why most time when I'm making big soup, big cookout, guys, with bigger pot on this, I strain the noodle and throw away the flour part. Because that causes the pot to burn real fast, guys. If you don't stir it often, that causes the pot to burn. So anyway, I'm still going with all of this because there's a little bit leave. So you know, guys. Yeah. No, see him there? This is a real soup. Real soup. Don't taste the pepper, guys, so I'm gonna give him a little burst. Because I like to taste pepper, so you know it go. We're not gonna make it too pepper. Because as soon as we turn it around and we taste the pepper flavor, we're gonna take back out the pepper. We're not gonna make the pepper spoil the pot. I know we have kids and we have all kind of people eating. That's what I'm talking about. Good. So guys, stay tuned. We're almost finished with the soup now. As you see, everything in the pot is cooked, guys. Everything in the pot is ready. Everything. And after everything, I mean everything. See the pot there? Peas nice and ready. Beef ready. Beef bone. Chicken foot ready with them there. See them here? Well soft and nice, guys. See them there? See them there? Let me know your pot, guys. Them all about in your pot. See them there? Yeah, well nice and ready to eat, guys. So 5 more minutes, guys, and I'm gonna turn the pot off. I just put a new noodle in it. So I'm gonna give it 3 to 5 minutes. And then after that noodle cook, we're done. Because all I'm giving the pot is just a little bit more flavor, guys. But the pot is really good. It's really nice. Trust me, you guys should hear to taste this one. Straight yard. Up and running. Out. Okay, guys, you know what time it is? Dinner time. See? No sticking. That's what I'm telling you about. When you cook soup, don't let it stick in the pot, guys. It's gonna burn and the soup not gonna taste good. So go in and get something to eat, you know. Right out, my peeps. Right out, me I eat some. Hungry, can't wait to test out it. Zimmy. To roll up. The chicken foot them there. Chicken foot. Time can't come. Don't use you. I want you again. Right, my peeps. Piece of everything for my soup. That's all me I do with that. No more yam. That's for later, man. That's for later, man. See them, my peeps. See it there? Yeah. This is what I'm gonna attack right away, guys. Right away. Hungry. Can't wait for digging it. Cannot wait for digging it. Right away. I'm gonna take this off of the fire, guys. Put it over here, you know. And I don't want the soup to stick with the heat and the fire, so no more heat. And the pot is ready, guys. See there? Ready to eat. Now you know I'm gonna dig in it, guys, because I'm hungry. And I really need some strong soup to drink. Like this soup here, guys. So see there? Red peas and everything turn up in him. Soup mad. Yes, guys. This is it. This is what I'm talking about. Check out, guys. Peanuts are no. No, it's hot enough, guys. Just come off of the fire, so gotta take my time with it. So I don't want to burn myself. I burn my mouth. Beef, people. Soft and nice. Well soft. Melting in your mouth. So guys, thanks for watching Straight Yard TV. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to always tell a friend to tell a friend. Straight Yard is doing the thing over there, so come and check it out, guys. So, one love, stay strong, more health, more energy. Okay, guys, we out. I'm gonna eat, guys. Can't eat and talk. Yeah.